Janko Dasa Miss Jo.
No, I don't know how. I don't know how.
Wait. Miss Joyce like. It's Monday.
Eh, that's use Miss
One more
Bond,
day.
tapos...
Oy, can I just have a...
Go ahead,
let's have a brawl?
Wait, magdaan not here, magdaan not. Sige,
Six
wait,
months
sige. Anyway, it's like, okay, Joe, it's Monday. It's Monday, relax. Okay, stop that. Wait, since magdaan not here, kaya yung magdaan.
Okay, don't touch me, okay?
Diyan ko yung magdaan.
Like, ano? Ano ko? Tingnan mo ako. Tingnan ko. Tingnan ko, stop it. Okay, stop it.
And then Marco says, like, "Uy, Sam, stop bullying magdaan."
Sino ba?
No,
Stop
Mark's like,
bullying, magdahil si Sam.
oh, and then tapos,
Kidding.
I'm not bullying him. Tapos si Magdala said, oh, kung yun. Okay, joke. And then Marco says like, joke. Wait, no, that's supposed to be Marco. Joker. Joke. Joke. You know, Marge was using the water dispenser a while ago to wash her hands. And it was like, bakit? Di mo maabot yung Sir Miko.
You're so mean.
Ano, no. What? Ano, they'll be like talking, tas kami ni Jaco mag-e-ebal mamaya.
You're mean. You're